how to convert Figma to your React.js on your PC. So let's start this video without any further delay. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I will open the Anima website or Anima plugin just on my browser here, and there is two options to log in or sign up to your account. You have to click on the login button here, and now you can see I have logged into my account using my email ID and my password. On the left you will see plugin option, and here you can see Anima plugin. You have to click on plugin for Anima with this website here, that is Figma. Now here are the steps there how you can do it. I will simply click on the open button here to open this from on my Figma to code account, and you also have to log in on this account from your Google account. Please make sure you have your password and your correct email ID in front of you. After clicking on the sign in button, it will redirect you to a sign in page, and then after that you can use or open both of these softwares in front of you. As you can see, Anima, Figma to code React, HTML video or anything. There is a recent file. I will open it, and let me just do that. I have opened the previous file with this Anima here, and as you can see on front of your screen, there is a lot of graphics, there is a lot of things on your account. But on the right side, as you can read everything, every detailed thing about it, new Figma HTML email, you can simply copy it from here, and then you can use it wherever you want it. You can also take a plan. You have to upgrade to premium or professional plan or organization subscription to do this thing. So please make sure that if you have subscribed this application or the software from your account. After doing it, you can get coding faster. You can withdraw the HTML code available on the right side of the screen, that is plugin option, and there is again option that is impact. I will click on get demo, or yes, I can subscribe to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.